videos. How y'all doing tonight? Tonight I'm going to do a couple of short videos. One is going to be a sound comparison on my 2019 Road Glide between the stock exhaust and the Vance and Hines twin slash cut. I'm also going to do an installation video. But I'm going to use this intro for both videos, so check them both out. Okay, I'm going to start off with the stock exhaust. You're about 6 foot back from the pipes. I'm going to start it up and see how she sounds. There we are again, about 6 feet back. I didn't exactly mark the exact distance. I hope my camera is in stereo, I'm not sure. I watched somebody else's video, it wasn't in stereo and it irritated me. So I guess if it's not, y'all can hackle me too, so here we go. Well, we turn it on, don't we?